Hi guys. Okay, I just killed a rabbit, so I'll be roasting the rabbit. My last video I did, I skinned the rabbit. So right now I'll be showing you how to roast a rabbit. So I just killed the rabbit. So let's move over to how to roast the rabbit. But first, when roasting a rabbit, you can decide to use. Please don't look at my face. I'm kind of tired. I've been working since morning, but I just have to do this video because I think this should be my once in a blue moon roasting a rabbit. I always skin my rabbits. Most of my videos is how to skin a rabbit. So in this video I'll be showing you how to roast the rabbit, and then I'll be using the gas because I can't waste my time to start using the firewood. If I use the firewood, the wood, it will take my time. So I'll be using the gas to roast. So this is what you do. You get your gas, and then you get a wire mesh. Okay. Let me light the gas. Woo! Wow. Okay. Let's see how many minutes it will take. Let's see how many minutes it will take. So as I roast, I just use my knife. I'm not using the sharp side of the knife. I'm using this other side of the knife, so you don't blunt your knife. So I just use this side of the knife, and then I clean. Let's see how many minutes this will take us. For the skinning, the skinning takes me there about 3 minutes or 4 minutes. So let's see how many minutes this roasting will take me to do. Don't skip the video, guys. Don't skip the video. What you just do for me is that hit the like button. I want to get 200 likes. So don't skip the video. Just hit the like button for me. Hit the like button for me. And if you are new to this channel, just subscribe. Okay? Subscribe. If you're new to this channel, subscribe. But don't skip the video. Don't skip it. Watch to the end. Let's see the transformation. Fire, 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 pour water. Fire is burning. Look under. Fire, fire, pour water. Fire is burning. Look under. Gradually it's taking a new form. As you can see, it's taking a new form. It's no longer the white rabbit we know. It's not a brown rabbit.
See the skin.
So guys, I'm done with the roasting. As you can see the rabbits there, well roasted. After the roasting, I had to wash it. So you can see, very neat. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. Like my channel, subscribe and click on the notification bell. Also, my next video now, I'll be showing you how to butcher a rabbit. So you see that at the top of your screen.